The Isle of Man and Liverpool's winter ferry services are set to resume, marking a significant milestone for commuters and travelers alike. After a prolonged delay, the ferry terminal repairs are now complete, ensuring a smoother journey for all. The Manx Ferry firm's flagship vessel, the Manxman, will resume its Saturday and Sunday sailings, offering a vital link between the island and the mainland. This development comes as a relief to those who have endured the inconvenience of rerouted journeys and the frustration of delayed repairs. The ferry company had to adapt by diverting sailings to Heysham for almost a month while the crucial terminal repairs were carried out. Initially, contractors faced challenges, requesting additional time for the fender repairs. However, the situation took an unexpected turn when adverse weather in Wales prevented the timely arrival of a barge with a crane, essential for the Liverpool terminal repairs. Despite these setbacks, the ferry company has now announced the resumption of its regular schedule, with the 8 o'clock Greenwich Mean Time crossing to Liverpool and the 1900 hours return on Saturdays, as well as the 8 o'clock sailing from Douglas and the 1400 hours return on Sundays. This development highlights the resilience of the ferry services and the dedication of the team behind the scenes to ensure a seamless travel experience for the community.